Kia ora Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Kia ora, how's your daughter? This is Future Hux here, and well, obviously you can see by the title of the video, Ngā Puna o Waiorea. You guys were so tough that yous are the first kapahaka rōpū that I posted with the Waiata Tira, all by itself. That's how tough it was. So if yous are confused like, oh, why is this video so short? Hux, where's the rest of it? Well, I reacted to it yesterday, so go check it out. But yeah, other than that, enjoy the video. Let's get straight into it. Butt cheeks. Sorry, G. Skip. Easy. Waiata Tira. Let's have a listen. Ugh. Holy moly. Puna o Waiorea. Gee, this is a good way to start. You fellas are getting your own video, bro. This has to be a whole separate video. I tried not to talk during it. The whole time I just want to go. Well, even past me didn't lie. I told you were going to get your own separate video, and that's exactly what happened. Do you see how tough that was? What more can I say? Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. That was such a beautiful Waiata setup. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. If you liked the video, please drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Guess what? Your boy's got a new outro. And if you see the outro, I want to see some W outros just so I know that you've seen it, okay? I want to know. It took me ages to do that. Huge shout out to the bro 2as. Without him, we wouldn't have had a banger song. Anyway, play the outro.
And it's my bad, I be stressing, holding, wanting, searching, cause I'ma never find another like you. Winning with the team and it feels amazing. Let me see your hands for me.